Hey everyone, welcome back to World Best Solution 220. If you've been searching for the newest Grow a Garden codes, then today's video is exactly what you need. Right now, a lot of Roblox players are trying to find the latest working codes after the new update, and in this video we're going through some of the best reward codes currently available in Grow a Garden. These new Grow a Garden codes can help you collect free gems, bonus rewards, useful boosts, rare items, and extra resources that can help your garden grow much faster. Some of the codes in today's video are brand new update rewards, while others are hidden redeem codes that many players still haven't used yet. If you want to progress faster, unlock better plants, collect more rewards, and avoid spending hours grinding, then these new codes are definitely worth checking out. On World Best Solution 220, I always try to bring the newest Roblox updates, trending redeem codes, secret rewards, and fresh viral videos before most players find them. And trust me, some of today's codes are super valuable and may expire very soon. So if you enjoy Roblox content like this and want more unique Grow a Garden code videos in the future, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new update. And now, let's check out the latest Grow a Garden codes available right now.